Meet Bill. He's just your average guy enjoying a day at the park when suddenly he feels that all too familiar tickle in his nose. We've all been there, but for Bill, this is no ordinary sneeze. The stakes are high. It's a battle between man and his body. Each involuntary twitch, the anticipation, followed by anxiety, is all leading to an explosive release. Ah! Ah! Bill's forehead puckers with effort. He clenches his teeth, taking every precaution to suppress it. But did Bill ever consider what could happen if he tries to hold back? Studies show suppressing a sneeze can be more dangerous than letting it out. With each second the pressure builds, could lead to ruptured blood vessels in the head, neck, or could even cause a rib fracture. The suppression of a sneeze turns from a simple reaction to a catastrophic consequence. So next time that tickle in your nose emerges, let it go, because holding back could be the sneeze that shook your world.